Equation of line in space can be determined uniquely if two conditions given, if it is passes through a given point and a given direction. If a direction is given, this is a direction b vector is given and the line L is passing through a point, this L is passing through a point x1, y1, z1 and whose position vector is A, whose position vector is A, then in that case this equation of line can be determined uniquely. This direction is b vector and it is passing to the point A, then the equation of the line can be determined uniquely. How? So let us discuss how it will be derived. I am taking any variable point. Suppose this point is A, I am taking any variable point B, and variable point is x, y, z, and whose position vector is r. Whose position vector is r, I have taken. Okay, this is the position vector of the point P now. Now, what are you observing? This FP vector and P vector, are they collinear or not? Yes, they are collinear. Now, let us find, so this FP vector will be equal to what? This FP vector will be equal to R minus A vector. FP vector, position vector of P minus position vector of P minus position vector of A point. So this position vector of P is R and this position vector of A is small a. This is FP vector. But this FP vector and P vector are collinear. Collinear. Since collinear, so it can be expressed as FP can be expressed as lambda times of P. That is FP vector is R minus A is equals to lambda times of P, and this implies R is equals to A plus lambda times of P. So this is nothing your equation of the line vector form. This is known as equation of line in vector form. Okay, understood? This is the equation of the line. Once more I am repeating. Equation of line in space uniquely determined if it is direction is given and passing through one point. And another condition also will study when it is passing through two given points. That basic property we have studied already. Here it is, suppose the direction vector is B and passing through the point A, x1, y1, z1, and we have to find the equation of the line. Here I have taken the P, x, y, z, any variable point with position vector is R. Then in this case, FP vector will be R minus A, and you see this FP vector and P vector, they are parallel. Parallel means what? Collinear. So this collinear means FP can be expressed as lambda times of P. Now, FP value you put, that is R minus A, then R is equal to A plus lambda B. This R is equal to A plus lambda B gives equation of line in vector form. Another form is there, Cartesian form, where I, J, K will be not there. Okay, so that form I am also deriving here. Here let B vector is A I cap, B J cap, C K cap. Okay, and position vector of A, position vector of point A, take as A, which is nothing x I cap, y j cap, z k cap, z k cap. This equation is equation 1. Okay. So from 1 and R vector, what will R vector? And R vector is x I cap, y j cap, z k cap. Yes or no? Because it is x y z variable point, then it will be x I cap, y j cap, z k cap. Then in this case, what will happen here? Now from 1. R is equal to A plus lambda B. This implies xi cap, yj cap, zk cap is equal to it is x1 I cap, y1 j cap and z1 k cap plus lambda times of ai cap, bj cap, ck cap. This is your r is equal to a plus lambda b. If you will transpose this one this side, then it will be x minus x1 I cap, y minus y1 j cap plus z minus z1 k cap is equal to lambda a I cap, lambda b j cap, lambda c k cap. We know two vectors are equal when their component y is equal. So from this what we can write, x minus x1 is equal to lambda a, y minus y1 is equal to lambda b, z minus z1 is equal to lambda c. So this implies this a is equal lambda is equal to how much? X minus x1 upon a. Also it is equal to y minus y1 upon b is equal to z minus z1 upon c, which is equal to lambda. Right? Then this one is known as your equation of line in Cartesian form. This is your equation of line in Cartesian form. Okay, got it? Note it. Next, now you see, let us solve few questions. Uh, your question is find the vector and Cartesian equation of the line. I am direct solving the question from your exercise of 11.2. This is question number 4, exercise 11.2, question number 4. Question is find the equation of the line which passes through the point passes through the point 1, 2, 3 and parallel to the vector. It is given equal to 3i plus 2j minus 2k. 3i plus 2j minus 2k. This vector it is parallel. This vector it is parallel and we have to find the equation of the line. Here a vector it is just ij k input, that is 1i plus 2j plus 3k, and b vector 3i plus 2j minus 2k. Therefore, equation of the line in vector form is r is equal to a plus lambda times of b. That is r is equal to r, no need to write x, y, z. R you will write as in term of R only. This will be I plus 2j plus 3k plus lambda times of b vector 3I plus 2j minus 2k. So this is your required equation of the line in vector form. Okay, and Cartesian form. What will be the Cartesian form? For Cartesian form, here x1, y1, z1 is 1, 2, 3, and your a, b, c are this direction ratio, that is 3, 2, minus 2. So required equation of line in Cartesian form is x minus x1 upon a, y minus y1 upon b, z minus z1 upon c. That implies that will be x minus 1 upon 3, y minus 2 upon 2, z minus 3 upon minus 2. So this is the required equation. This is vector equation and this is Cartesian equation. Okay. So next is just few points. So equation of line we studied general form R is equal to A plus lambda B. Okay. Or in Cartesian form x minus x1 upon A, y minus y1 upon B, and z minus z1 upon C. This is vector form and this is your Cartesian form. This is your vector form and this is your Cartesian form. Right? And in this case, this ABC, B is known as this ABC is known as direction ratio of line. Okay, this direction vector means this is only the direction ratio of the line. This will play important role. This B vector will play important role for all purpose. Okay, this B vector or this A, B, C, this is the direction ratio. This will play important role for your all the work of the line. And next, if L, M, N are direction cosine of the line, then equation of line also can be written as this will be nothing x minus x1 upon L, y minus y1 upon M, and this z minus z1 upon N can be also written as in this form. This is the if the direction cosine given or this unit vector is given. Okay, so it has no problem. Also can be expressed in this form. Now next is 2-point form. Next is 2-point form. 2-point form. Let A x1, y1, z1 and B x2, y2, z2 are 2 points in a given line. In the early geometry we have studied through 2 points uniquely one line can be drawn. Okay, so 2-point AB given and these are x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2. Then with position vector A and B. With position vector A and B. Okay. Then equation of the line. Then equation of the line is R is equal to A plus B minus A lambda, or in the Cartesian form x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1, y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1, z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1. Okay, how it has come? The proof. How it is we got this form? The proof. Here, suppose this is the line L. Here A point is given x1, y1, z1. This is B point given x2, y2, z2. Right? And with the position vector, this is A and this is the position vector B. We have to find this equation of line L. Okay. Now it is the if the direction of AB you are finding, same will be the direction of L. Now you take any variable point here P. Let any variable point here P x, y, z. Then what are you getting? Here AP vector and AP vector. AP vector and AB vector are collinear. Yes or no? This AP and AP, they are collinear. This is AP, this is AP, they are collinear. So AP can be expressed as, that is the lambda times of AP vector. This is AP vector is what? R minus A. Yes or no? And this is equal to lambda times AP vector is B minus A. Position vector B minus position vector B A. Now what are you getting? This A you take to that side. So R is equal to A plus lambda times B minus A. Got it? The proof understood. This one I have written in 2-point form. So this is the derivation. If we will similarly go for Cartesian form, the Cartesian form will imply this one. Okay? So this is your vector form. This is vector form. And this one is known as your Cartesian form of equation of line when 2 points given. Now see one question. Let us solve question number 9, exercise 11.2. It is asking find the equation of the line through 2 given point. It is telling through that how to find equation of the line. Right? Question is find the equation of the line that passes through the point, given point, that is exercise 11.2, question number 9. Given points, it is 3 minus 2 minus 5, 3 minus 2 minus 5, and it is 3 minus 2 6, 3 minus 2 6. Okay, we have to find equation of line. Right? Now here A vector is 3I cap minus 2j minus 5k, and your B vector is 3I minus 2j plus 6k. This is your B vector. Now what will be the equation of the line? Therefore, equation of the line in 2-point form is R is equal to A plus B minus A lambda. That is R is equals to 3I minus 2j minus 5k plus 3I minus 2j plus 6k minus 3I minus 2j minus 5k, right, times lambda. This will be 3I minus 2j minus 5k plus this will be 3 minus 3 0 minus 2j it is 0 and 6 plus 5 that will be equals to 11k lambda 11k. So this is the equation. So this is the required equation in vector form. Required equation in vector form, right? So it is in the Cartesian form x minus 3 upon 0, y minus a plus 2 upon 0, and z plus 5 upon it is 11. Okay, and this is your required equation in Cartesian form. This is the required equation of the line in Cartesian form.